So hello, welcome to part two. So part one, we went over kind of the steps of doing subtraction with these two-digit, three-digit, and more numbers. So in this video, we're going to be going over an example problem, just so that you guys can see it, how the steps are incorporated step by step. If you're having trouble, really pay attention. You can also go back into the example and just really focus on the steps of how to solve these subtraction problems. So for our example problem today, we are going to be looking at 271 minus 235. So it's important for this first step to realize, is there more on the bottom or the top in the one spot? So this 1 and this 5. So after looking at both, we know that there's more on the 5. So according to our poem, what's the next step after the first part? If there's more on the floor, we go next door and get 10 more. So we take this 7, which turns into a 6, because we took 10 from the 10 spot and are moving it to the 1. So this 11, or this 1, turns into an 11. So now, since we have more on the top than on the bottom, we could do 11 minus 5, which we know equals 6, and then move on to the tens. Is there more on the top or the bottom? There's more on the top, right? So we would do 6 minus 3 equals 3. And then with these 2's, since there's a 2 here and a 2 here, we know that that's going to equal 0. So we know that 271 minus 235 is going to equal 36. And that's the end for the example. Hopefully that will help refresh your memory on how to do subtraction with these big digits and these big numbers. And so that is the end for this video. And I'll see you guys next time.